Hello everyone. In this video we will learn about how to create a card in Power BI. So I've got this Power BI file open here with me, and I've also uploaded this file to GitHub. It's called Create a Card Power BI, and I will leave a link to this GitHub repository and the name of the file so you can download it and do the tutorial along with me. So you typically use a card when you want to reflect the number, for example, the total sales or the total number of customers and so on, as a separate item in your dashboard. So in this case, we'll just take the card, and there are two cards. So we've got this card and multi-row card. In this video, we'll just use the card, select that, and I've created a measure called distinct count. So it gives me the count of all the customers in the fact internet sales table. So it's a distinct count of customer key in fact internet sales. I'll select that. For example, we want to say what is the unique count of customers that we have in the business, and place it here. Similarly, we can use a sales amount, or we can use some other field that we want to display. So in this video, we learned how to create a card in Power BI and how to what is the scenario when we need to use a card. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing. That would be great. Thank you.